Open the image in your Photoshop and unlock the image layer. And now we have to select our subject. So you can select any selection tool. I'm going to clicking on select and clicking on subject, and my image subject will be automatically select. And now once you selected your subject, click on the mask icon, and now add a new layer and add this blank layer under your image layer. And now we'll make this layer our background layer. So select the white in foreground and select the paint bucket tool and click anywhere, and your background will be white. And again add another layer and add this blank layer above the image layer. And now select the blank layer and hold down the Ctrl key and click on this mask. And now select black for your foreground and again select the bucket tool and click on your selected subject and press Ctrl D to deselect, and that's it.